Imagine a healthy beverage that is full of flavor and invigorates your body, boosting energy and overall well-being. Tea is the world's favorite drink excluding water, but with so many different types available, it can be hard to know which one is the best for you. Drinking tea in the morning can help boost your energy levels and improve digestion. But there is a tea that can do more than just wake you up. This tea has incredible power that enhances your metabolism, provides multiple health benefits, helps you lose weight, and transforms your daily routine. I am referring to green tea, of course, as the best and healthier tea to drink in the morning for endless reasons. Green tea is a diet treasure that can provide us with more than just a few health benefits and taste. So, in today's video, you will discover why green tea is often recommended for the morning, its health benefits, if it contains caffeine or helps you lose weight, what is the best way to prepare it for maximum health benefits, and much more. So, stay tuned until the end of this video because you will discover the best tea secrets you won't want to miss. Number 1, why is green tea often recommended for the morning, and what are its health benefits? Green tea is a morning favorite for a multitude of reasons. It's like a tasty boost to start your day with vitality. This emerald elixir is renowned for its multiple nutritional and health benefits. With a wealth of antioxidants, it's your shield against harmful free radicals that can wreak havoc on your body. But that's not all. Green tea is also known for its excellent metabolism-boosting properties, helping you burn those extra calories. It is a natural companion on your journey to a healthier you. And if you're watching your weight, green tea might be your best friend. It's like a friendly guide, helping you with your weight management goals. The catechins in green tea play a key role in fat oxidation, making it a powerful tool in the fight against those stubborn pounds. Number 2, does green tea have caffeine, and how does it compare to coffee? Do you have a problem with caffeine? We often wonder about the caffeine content of our morning drinks, and while green tea does have caffeine, it's a milder and gentler version compared to the jolt of energy you get from morning coffee. Green tea provides a gradual and sustained boost of energy that isn't sudden and violent to your body when you start your day. It is the ideal choice for those who want to embrace the morning peacefully and remain productive throughout the day. The lower caffeine levels in green tea are also great for reducing those dreaded coffee stomach cramps. So, if you are looking for a boost of energy to start your day without cramps and stomach problems, green tea is the best. Number 3, can drinking green tea help you lose weight? Now, let me answer a big question. Can green tea really be your secret weapon in the battle against excess weight and fat? Green tea has gained a reputation for its natural benefits for weight and fat loss. It's not a magic potion but a holistic approach to shedding those extra pounds. The magic lies in green tea's ability to boost your metabolism. By drinking this revitalizing elixir, you're subtly telling your body to burn more calories efficiently. In addition to significantly stimulating the metabolism, green tea can curb appetite and cravings. It's also like a gentle, tasty reminder to make healthier food choices throughout the day. And remember, every little step counts on the way to a healthier you. Number 4, what is the best way to prepare green tea for maximum health benefits? The art of brewing the perfect cup of green tea is a delightful journey. To get the maximum health benefits, there are a few key steps to remember. First, pay attention to the water temperature. It should be around 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius, to preserve its precious antioxidants. Steep your tea for no more than 2 to 3 minutes to ensure a perfect balance of flavor and health benefits. If you want to elevate the flavor, choose loose-leaf green tea for a more robust taste. When you follow these steps, you're not only crafting a delicious tea but also unlocking the full potential of green tea's health-boosting properties. Number 5, can I add anything to my morning tea like honey or lemon, without compromising its health benefits? The beauty of green tea is its versatility. You can customize your morning brew to suit your taste while preserving its health advantages. Adding a touch of honey can enhance the flavor and bring a delightful sweetness to your cup. Honey also contributes its own health benefits, including natural antibacterial properties. And why not upgrade your tea with fresh lemon juice or a lemon slice? It's a vibrant burst of flavor and vitamin C, which can further amplify the healthful qualities of your tea. The best part is that these additions don't compromise the core benefits of green tea, in contrast they enhance its strength. So, feel free to get creative and make your morning ritual uniquely yours while reaping all the excellent benefits of green tea. Number 6, is there a specific brand or type of green tea that's better for the morning? When choosing the perfect green tea for your morning ritual, there are several reputable brands and specific varieties that have gained recognition for their excellent quality. Some well-regarded options include brands like Matcha Bar, Yogi Tea, and Numi Organic Tea. All these kinds are known for their commitment to organic high-quality teas. In terms of variety, you should explore the fantastic world of matcha. Matcha green tea is finely ground, providing a rich concentrated flavor that can elevate your mornings. Sencha and Dragon Well are other delightful options, each with its unique taste profile. Ultimately, the best green tea for your morning routine is the one that resonates with your taste buds. So don't be afraid to explore them to find your perfect green teacup. Number 7, are there any alternatives for people who don't like the taste of green tea in the morning? Not a fan of green tea's earthy notes in the morning? Don't worry, because there are many other options that can provide similar health benefits. If you're seeking a caffeine-free alternative, herbal infusions like peppermint, chamomile, or ginger can be excellent. Peppermint tea is not only soothing to the senses but can aid in digestion and provide a refreshing start to your day. Chamomile tea, with its calming properties, is perfect for a stress-free morning. And ginger tea is best for the morning, especially when you drink it in the first 30 minutes after waking. Ginger tea helps our bodies end their overnight fast, charges up our metabolism, and can prevent nausea. While black tea is a slightly intense alternative that offers a caffeine boost. Earl Grey and English breakfast teas are classic favorites. Remember, the key is to find a tea you enjoy, as consistency in your morning ritual is the secret to reaping the long-term health rewards. Number 8, how soon can I expect results or improvements in my health from morning tea consumption? The journey to reaping the benefits of morning tea is an exciting one, but it's essential to manage your expectations. While some may feel a boost in energy and alertness after their first cup, others might take longer to notice significant changes. It's recommended to give it a few weeks to a few months to experience noticeable improvements in metabolism, weight management, and overall health. Consistency is crucial. The daily habit of sipping your morning tea will gradually work its magic. It's like a daily investment in your well-being, and green tea's excellent results will accrue over time. So be patient and trust in the process, and you'll soon revel in the positive changes to your health and vitality. Number 9, can I drink morning tea if I have dietary restrictions or specific health conditions? The beauty of morning tea is its adaptability to various dietary preferences and health conditions. Whether following a vegan, gluten-free or other specific diet, you can find teas that fit your requirements. However, suppose you have health conditions or are taking medications. In that case, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before significantly changing your diet, including adding a morning tea routine. In some cases, such as caffeine sensitivity or interactions with certain medications, you may need to make some adjustments. Your health professional can offer guidance tailored to your needs, ensuring that your morning tea aligns with your health goals. Number 10, are there any side effects or contraindications to consider? While morning tea, especially green tea, is known for its numerous health benefits, it is important to be aware of potential side effects and crucial contraindications. One common consideration is caffeine sensitivity. If you're sensitive to caffeine, it's advisable to choose teas with lower caffeine content or opt for caffeine-free herbal infusions. Additionally, green tea can interfere with the absorption of some medications. So, if you're on any prescriptions, consult with your healthcare provider first. Furthermore, moderation is vital because excessive tea consumption can lead to digestive issues or interfere with iron absorption. It's also worth noting that while green tea is generally safe, extremely high intake could lead to excessive caffeine consumption or other side effects. As with any dietary change, it's wise to enjoy your morning tea in moderation and listen to your body for any signals it may provide. Green tea stands out as the champion of morning beverages, offering a harmonious blend of taste and health benefits. With its decadent array of antioxidants, metabolism-boosting prowess, and potential to assist in weight management, it's the perfect elixir to kickstart your day. Whether you're a longtime green tea enthusiast or a newbie eager to embark on a journey to a healthier you, this morning ritual is your gateway to vitality and well-being. So, why not make that simple yet transformative change to your daily routine? Your body will thank you, and you'll be amazed at the long-term benefits that await you on this green tea-infused journey to a healthier and happier you. If you found this video informative and enjoyed exploring the world of morning tea, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness insights, tips, and delicious ideas to boost your well-being journey. By joining my channel, you'll stay updated on the latest discoveries in maintaining a healthy diet and overall health, and you'll be taking a step toward becoming a healthier and happier you. Also, if you want to discover the powerful oregano benefits and the best tips on how to make oregano tea, in the best way to reap the full range of oregano's benefits, watch this video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.